For the past years, Pi Network and Shiba Inu has gained a lot of recognition and also a lot of attention from investors and cryptocurrency experts, giving both cryptocurrency a lot of relevance, though Shiba Inu is already listed on exchanges but presently trading with a relatively very low value. All of the significant progress of both the Pi Network coin and Shiba Inu coin made the world richest man tweeted on his Twitter handle saying Shiba Inu to the moon, and also he spoke on the possibilities of accepting the Pi Network coin as payment for his Tesla cars. Elon Musk said that he intends to accept a cryptocurrency as payment, but he wants a crypto that is environmental friendly, which presently only the Pi Network coin fulfills this criteria. At the moment, the price of the Pi Network coin is presently unknown as it is not yet available on exchanges, though some pioneers have begun exchanging their Pi coins for a variety of goods and services. It is possible that Shiba Inu will replace Bitcoin as the official money of Twitter once Elon Musk gets his way. The price of Shiba Inu has been doing quite well over the past week, and it is possible that the cryptocurrency market is about to join the bull run that has been predicted for this year. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Kindly support my channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell to get updated whenever we post similar videos. Without any further delay, let's get back to the video. Now, let's have a look and find out what's happening with the price of Shiba Inu recently. The price of a Shiba Inu now sits somewhere around 1336 units. The price of Shiba has decreased by 5.9% over the past 24 hours and its trading volume over the past 24 hours was $50 million. As you can see, even with the decrease in price, the Shiba Inu trading volume is increasing rapidly. Guys, it will really be a wise decision to own or purchase certain amount of Shiba Inu coin and hold them, as presently its price is low and some crypto experts have a lot of good prediction that it will have an astonishing future ahead. Even though the core team has categorically stated that all of the listings on exchanges are unauthorized, the fact that there have been a lot of listings on exchanges is still good news for all pioneers, because it means that a lot of exchanges are just waiting for the mainnet and also permission from the core team to list the Pi Network coin. This is still a good piece of news for all pioneers. Pi is now in the enclosed network, that it has not been given permission by Pi Network to be listed on any exchange, and that Pi Network was not engaged in the development of any of these purported advertisements or listings. At this time, the Pi cryptocurrency is only accessible within the enclosed network. Shiba Inu tokens were an active investment for this foundation. The price of SHIB fell by 6.5% over this time period. Over the course of the previous 2 days, there has been a decline of more than 6.5 percentage points in the price of a Shiba Inu token, in light of the fact that there has been an increase of more than 30% since the beginning of February. Despite the fact that the price of SHIB along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market has decreased as a result of a broad correction, there are still businesses who are purchasing the token. One of these buyers in particular was the trading jump into Shiba Inu company, which was quite a prominent and well-known one at the time. The results of Etherscan indicate that more Shiba Inu tokens have been added to the Jump Trade wallet over the past few days compared to the number of tokens that have been deleted from it over the same time period. The Shiba Inu team made the announcement about the new Layer 2 blockchain network Shibarium on January 15, 2023. They also informed the cryptocurrency world that the upcoming beta release of Shibarium is approaching quickly, along with other tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The value of SHIB has been steadily increasing. Since the announcement, BONE has been listed on the cryptocurrency exchange, and a petition started by the Shiba Inu community has been making some noise in the past week in an effort to get BONE listed on Binance. Satoshi Kusama, the leader of the Shiba Inu project, is working tirelessly around the clock to ensure that the beta release of Shibarium goes off without a hitch. Kusama said in the official Shiba Inu Telegram channel that he wants the launch of the Siberians to be fruitless. After a series of setbacks and postponements, the stakes are high and a launch of the network that is error-free is to be anticipated. The recent appearance of green numbers across the ecosystem is seen by many Shiba and new owners as evidence that the coin's future is headed in the right direction. Trading of the Pi coin will begin on the market as soon as all the necessary things are put in place. Before the product can be released, a number of tasks including an audit, certification, and certification of the blockchain network need to be finished. This phenomenon is referred to as open mainnet. It is completely decentralized with access to other blockchains and the ability to trade with both other cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. It also has access to other blockchains. In addition, individuals who are referring to Pi as a hoax or dismissing it as a waste of time typically have a limited understanding of the investing opportunities presented by cryptocurrencies. Until such time as you are abandoned even when 95% of the aspects and territory that could have contributed to Bitcoin's even greater value are available to the Pi network token. Do you think that the Pi bill will be launched at the same price as Bitcoin was, which was 10 cents and not higher? However, what really matters are a token's potentials and its purpose and the problem it aims to solve. When measured by these standards, it would be an understatement to claim that Pi serves a purpose that is superior and more transparent. What other valuable things did the people who invented Bitcoin do before they became successful with Bitcoin? Bitcoin has a very small fan base and very few followers, neither of which are necessary for a product to have at start in order to draw greater value. Ethereum is another widely used and highly valuable cryptocurrency. However, do you also like to contrast it with the value of Pi? If this is the case, it is quite evident that you have not conducted any in-depth research on the Pi network token. The most unfortunate element of this situation is the fact that if you do not mine Pi during the pre-launch period, the Pi network will follow Bitcoin in only this regard and will not award you with a respectable quantity of Pi, if any at all, after it has launched and been listed on exchanges. As for Shibarium, there is a great deal of speculation that the beta could be made available on February 14, 2023, which would coincide with Valentine's Day. Nevertheless, none of it has been verified. It will be necessary for us to wait and keep an eye out for an official declaration concerning the imminent and much anticipated beta launch. In the near term, the price of SHIB will surge owing to the introduction of Shibarium. However, in the long run, the price of SHIB will increase due to the large coin burns that will be caused by the introduction of Shibarium. Because the price of bones is going to skyrocket as a result of Shibarium, you should be sure to store up on bone tokens before the Shibarium release. On the Shibarium blockchain, there will be a wide variety of impressive projects being developed. Be sure to keep a close check on these other projects, since there is a strong possibility that the prices of them may increase in the near future. If it is a worthwhile project, I will keep you informed about the greatest projects. Therefore, ensure that you subscribe so that you may remain in the know at all times. Because of their faith in the potential of Shiba in new developers and the worth of SHIB in the real world, several of our subscribers have commented that they do not intend to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them in their holdings. How many are you guys holding? There are a few articles circulating on the internet that assert Elon Musk is the artist known by the pseudonym Chitoshi Kusama. You can learn about one of the rumors by clicking on this link. Connecting the dots ultimately leads to him concealing his true identity. Therefore, the dot meanings like this add fuel to the fire. The crypto community speculates that this may be an indication of something that will soon be available on Twitter. Elon has previously shared his thoughts on the manner in which he intends to include Twitter payments and the potential creation of a Twitter coin. However, it is possible that Elon Musk is providing people with an early glimpse of Shiba Inu having the potential to be utilized as the official coin of Twitter. If what you say is accurate, then the price of a Shiba Inu will skyrocket to unprecedented heights that have never been seen before. Consequently, let's all keep our fingers crossed that it takes place. Bear in mind, though, that all of this is merely conjecture at this point and nothing has been verified. Because of their faith in the potential of Shiba in new developers and the worth of SHIB in the real world, several of our subscribers have commented that they do not intend to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them in their holdings. That's all for now. In the comment section below, please be sure to include the number of Shiba and Pi you are currently holding. Don't forget to support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification button.